Hello little learners, welcome back to Kids Story School. It's so good to see you all again. Look who's here to say goodbye for now. It's our friends F, G, H, I, and J. Wave goodbye. And who's this popping up to say hello? It's our brand new alphabet friends. Today we'll meet K, L, M, N, and O. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, bouncing into our beautiful garden is the letter K. Hi friends, I'm K. K is for kangaroo, and look at this kind kangaroo. Hop, hop. I just love flying my colorful kite in the bright blue sky. That sounds like so much fun. The letter K starts so many wonderful words. K is also for king, who lives in a big, grand castle. K is for key, a shiny key that can unlock a secret door. And of course, K is for kite, flying high, high up. Wow, K. Your kite is so colorful. Who's this coming through the jungle? It's the letter L, and listen to that happy sound. Haha, I'm L. L is for lion. Wow, a lion. Roar, don't be scared. I'm a friendly lion who loves to laugh. That's a lovely laugh. The letter L is also for leaf. Look at them gently falling from the trees. L is for lamp, which lights up the room when it gets dark. And L is for lemon, a bright yellow fruit. Let's see what our lion friend thinks. Sour but fun. Whoa, look up in the sky. It's the letter M, arriving on a magic cloud and waving a magic wand. Hello everyone. I'm MM is for monkey. And there's a playful monkey swinging from a tree branch. Let's make some magic together. What a brilliant idea. The letter M also stands for moon, which shines so brightly in the night sky. M is for mango, a sweet and juicy fruit that monkeys love to eat. And M is for music. Let's shake some maracas and make a happy tune. This is so musical. Let's walk into this peaceful forest. Who will we meet here? It's the letter N. Hi friends, I'm NN is for nest. And look up in the tree. There's a cozy nest with a little bird nearby. Tweet, tweet, this is my nest. It's where my baby birds sleep, safe and sound. How sweet. The letter N also starts the word net, perfect for catching beautiful butterflies. N is for nose. This funny nose is sniffing all the pretty flowers. And N is for night, when the sky is full of twinkling stars. Let's dive under the sea. Bubbles are floating everywhere. And here comes the letter O. Hi, I'm O. O is for octopus. And look at this amazing octopus with 8 long arms. Blub blub, watch me. I can juggle these shiny seashells, but that is incredible. O is also for orange, a yummy round fruit. O is for owl, a wise bird that flies quietly through the night. And O is for the big, beautiful ocean. Let's dive and play in the ocean. It's alphabet party time. Look at all our new friends, K, L, M, N, and O, dancing with confetti and fireworks. K2O, let's go with the flow. What fun new friends we met today. Let's remember them all. K for the kind kangaroo, L for the laughing lion, M for the magic monkey, N for the nice nest, and O for the ocean octopus. You all did such a great job, little learners. See you next time with more alphabet adventures. Thanks for learning with us today. If you had fun, please ask a grown-up to like this video and subscribe to Kid Story School for more adventures. Bye for now.